Looking for the best camping gadgets to upgrade your next trip? In this video, we've rounded up must-have camping gear and outdoor gadgets that every camper needs in 2025. Whether you're into backpacking, hiking, overlanding, or family camping, these Amazon camping essentials will take your outdoor experience to the next level. From portable power stations and multifunctional tools to innovative cooking gear and survival must-haves, we've got the most practical and coolest gadgets that are perfect for beginners and seasoned adventurers alike. Without further ado, let's get started. Staying warm and comfortable on chilly backcountry nights is essential for any outdoor adventure. The Zuby Live sleeping bag delivers exceptional warmth with its 650 fill power down insulation, while remaining ultra compact and lightweight at just 27 ounces. Designed with comfort and versatility in mind, this sleeping bag features a spacious rectangular shape that zips to another Alply 400T to create a double sleeping bag, or can fully unzip to serve as a cozy quilt. It's a tough 20D nylon shell with durable water-repellent treatment that resists moisture, while the two-way YKK zippers with anti-snag sliders ensure smooth use. Ideal for hiking, camping, and backcountry exploration. Relaxing at the beach requires comfort, support, and convenience in one portable design. The Water Buffalo Bondi Beach Chair offers a lightweight, foldable frame with padded, detachable backpack straps for easy, hands-free transport. Built with rust-resistant anodized aluminum, it supports up to 300 pounds and features a high back with breathable material, an adjustable headrest, and 3 reclining positions for personalized comfort. Enjoy the convenience of a removable cup holder and stylish beechwood armrests, while the quick-dry fabric ensures your chair is always ready for your next sunny outing. Available in elegant shades like seashell white and black sea, this beach chair combines function with beachside style. Keeping food fresh and drinks ice cold is essential for any outdoor adventure or day out. The Overmont Backpack Cooler delivers reliable 24-hour insulation in a durable, waterproof design crafted from 600 DPU-coated fabric. Its main roomy compartment, 2 insulated compartments, and insulated top pocket efficiently separate cold and dry items, while a leak-proof liner ensures mess-free transport. A front mesh pocket, side mesh pockets, and adjustable net offer extra storage for essentials. Designed with a dual zipper system, detachable bottle opener, and top handle, this cooler is both practical and portable. Comfortable to carry and breathable, it's ideal for camping, hiking, picnics, beach days, or tailgating events. Finding dependable shade that's quick to set up and easy to carry is essential for comfort outdoors. The Alicaso Sun Shelter offers 150 square feet of UV protective coverage for 3 to 6 people, making it ideal for the beach, backyard, park, desert, festivals, or picnics. Engineered for all-weather performance, it functions as a wind canopy, maintaining stability in breezy or gale conditions, and includes a windless kit for calm days. Weighing just 4 pounds, it packs down smaller than a camping chair and fits easily in its compact carry bag. Setup takes just 2 minutes with its simple 3-step system and lightweight aluminum poles. Built for durability and versatility, it's the ultimate portable sunshade. Staying comfortable and protected in wet or rugged environments requires footwear that handles both land and water with ease. The Hum2 amphibious water shoes are designed for versatility, blending the functionality of hiking sandals with quick-drying aqua shoes. Made from breathable mesh fabric with a soft, wear-resistant sole, they dry fast and are easy to put on or take off. The anti-collision rubber toe cap safeguards your feet, while the EVA midsole and memory foam insole deliver flexible all-day cushioning. These lightweight, non-slip water shoes support 2 wearing styles and are perfect for hiking, fishing, kayaking, boating, beach volleyball, and more. Built to perform across any outdoor terrain or activity.